back, guys, and today I will be teaching you how to make a refreshing summer drink. So the items you'll need is a bunch of basil. Let me just zoom the camera in. Because I can't. And you will need lemon thyme, which it's a herb. And you need a regular bottle of water, not mineral water, not seltzer water, just regular. You could also get a lime to put on top, like I did the first time I made it, but I don't have any limes in the store right now. Let's get started. Let me just open it. So then you're gonna take the basil and rip it into little chunks so you can swallow it. And the glass of water should probably be full. So keep on ripping for another 2 minutes. I've already done this before. So I know how to. So you should have bits like this. Let me just gather the bits. And then try to put them into the bottle. Try to maybe rip more to make them smaller. Keep on ripping. If you're done, you can already put them in. Just stuff them in. It's fine if they fall on the table or if they don't fully make it in. You can probably just pick them back up because they're not salt-sized crumbs. They're just crumbs. They're not crumbs. They're good sized. Let me just finish putting them in. And let me just get some cups. I'll be right back. So you want to get at least 2 cups to pour the drink in. You don't need to, but I'm going to. Let me just continue putting the basil in. This is actually more than I did. You don't have to put this much in. You might have some leftovers. You can just pour more water in to get it. But you don't need to. It's just basil. Remember to like and subscribe. I almost forgot. It would help a lot if you liked and subscribe. Then, after you're done putting in, get some lemon thyme. I know I just got a lot. It's really strong. You don't need to get this much. You can get less, 1 string. And just, so, do you see, you gotta put your finger right at the top of it almost, and then just slide down. And then gather all the bits, but I usually don't put it on the table. It just got a little bit hard. Scoop it down. You don't need too much. You've got too much. I might just put a little bit in, but actually I'm going to put a lot because it adds more flavor, so you can actually make your water taste really herby and good. It's just a really good drink. It's easy to make. just finished doing this. So then, I'm going to tell you what to do after you get the time done. You just put it in, like I just did. You can put your finger in or maybe to like put the herbs and it might stick to your hand a little. Just flick it. I'm just gonna put like most of the rest in. Alright, so then you're gonna wanna close the bottle and then you're gonna wanna shake it for about like 2 minutes to get those ingredients all mixed up. You're gonna you need to tighten it a lot. So keep on shaking until you think you have the right, this is good, pretty good. Now the herbs are all mixed up. So then you just want to pour carefully. You might not get all of the herbs. You can also drink it from the cup, remember? I hope you like doing this as much as I do. Remember to like and subscribe. Keep watching.